1710 Center Rise. Were you given a restriction?
I'm sorry, yeah, 20 miles this side of Finger at 10.
1710 Rise. The DSW altimeter is 2995.
2995. And for Cessna American 50 at 24.
American 54 Center Riser, increase speed to 280 knots.
280 knots, American 50.
50 and verify your routing.
Now we're going to Receiver.
50, so you have Deceiver 2 after Receiver?
Yes, we do. Center 285 feet, 1 kilo mic, double base now. Good afternoon.
That's 1 kilo mic 4 Center Riser. Good afternoon. How you doing, sir?
Doing good, hot.
255, okay. I went ahead and went to standby with the radar.
Okay.
The last part
Archer 278, just maintain 310 knots until bridge, and then resume public speed to bridge.
Okay, 310 until bridge, and then public speed to bridge, American 1078.
Way 3213, resume public speed to bridge.
Public speed at bridge, 3213.
Off test 21, contact regional approach 125.02. You have a great day.
2502, you do the same. Off test 21.
American 50, descend via Deceiver to arrival, except maintain 280 knots. DSW altimeter 2995.
Hey, so the Receiver 2, except 280 knots and 2995.
95.
Where's 1280?
95.
26.5 for 240, going direct Receiver.
1284, Center Riser.
Center American 2251, checking in 334-240, direct Receiver.
2251, Riser, descend via Deceiver to arrival, except maintain 280 knots. DSW altimeter 2995.
2995, descend via the Receiver 2 at 280 knots, American 2251.
Center, good afternoon. Flight is 199 at Charlie Mike, flight level 230, smooth.
199 Charlie Mike 4 Center Riser, be advised there's some moderate precipitation after 12 o'clock and about 60 miles to take there, sending northeast down by another 100 to 200 miles.
9 Charlie Mike,
American 1455, would like to start down, please. 1455, descend via Deceiver to arrival, except maintain 280 knots. DSW altimeter is 2995.
Okay, descend via Deceiver to accept maintain 280, 1455.
American 1078, contact regional approach 125.02. You have a great day.
Yeah, good day, 2502, American 1078.
American 1280, descend via Deceiver to arrival, except maintain 280 knots. DSW altimeter is 2995.
Send by Receiver 2 and maintain 280 knots, American 1280.
For 2 uniform, just maintain 290 knots until bridge and then resume public speed to bridge.
290 to bridge, then publish speed to uniform.
290 to bridge, published speeds, okay.
290 to bridge, publish speed, I'm pretty sure it's
213, contact regional approach 125.02. You have a great day.
Look.
2502, send to you.
Bridge, if you're leaning to the south, 250 knots, okay.
For 6013, reduce speed 260
I'll
knots.
bounce us out a second.
260 now, 6013.
Hands in transit with the left bumps on.
199 Charlie Mike, contact 4 Center on 124.75. You have a great day.
2435, 9 Charlie Mike, thanks.
American 50, clear dirt bridge.
That's bridge, American 50.
American 1280, clear dirt bridge.
Dirt bridge, American 1280.
2251, clear dirt bridge.
Direct bridge, American 2251.
American 1455, reduce speed to 250 knots.
Phone to 250, American 1455.
Mercury 6013, reduce speed to 250 knots.
250 knots, Mercury 6013.
Okay, a bridge, it's a 250 heading. 255 heading. 255, it's in the box, and a 250 on the speed.
Forward American 1038 with you at 295 for 240, 300 knots.
1038, right to Direct Bridge intersection.
Direct Bridge, American 1038.
American 1038, descend via the Seaver to arrival, except do not exceed 290 knots, DSW altimeter 209.5.
Descend via the Seaver arrival, except do not exceed 290 knots. American 1038.
It's coming off, and transit's on boost off. Okay.
The 2 uniform, resume public speeds at bridge.
Resume post speed of bridge for uniform.
1455, resume public speeds at bridge.
Resume speeds at bridge, 1455.
6013, resume public speeds at bridge.
Published speeds at bridge, Mercury 6013.
So we got to be 250 by bridge.
521 Kilo Mike would like to request direct the Amarillo when able.
521 Kilo Mike, and stand by, have that for here just a second, let me take a look at that. For 2 uniform, contact regional approach 125.02, you have a great day.
4502, uniform, good day. 1,000 feet. Regional approach, citation to uniform, descending to 11000 with Delta.
Citation 2 uniform regional approach, expect runway 17 center, flighting 240, maintain 6000.
Expect 17 center, 240 on the heading, maintain 6000 for uniform. How about that? Okay, we're all set up. Down to 6,000, sir. 6,000. We're not really flying the heading. I guess he still wants 250 anyway, probably.
Envoy 3213, contact approach 18.42.
1842, thanks for your help, Envoy 3213.
Thanks. Regional approach out 1710, level 10, North Bravo. Southwest 1710, regional approach radar. Envoy 3213, contact approach 118.42. Alex 928, contact approach 124.3. 24.3, Alex 928, good day.
Recog zones. That completes the approach checklist. Super deal. Yeah, well, I'm going to take this off now. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh yeah, we are. Air.
American 1455, we have Delta.
And are you getting, you're getting 17 center, is that right here?
American 1455, regional approach, expect runway 17 left, flighting 240.
240 heading, we'll look for 17 left.
The localizers again?
1710, send to maintain 6000. Send to maintain 6000, 517.
10-3 is around.
And 1455, just to confirm on us to maintain 1000.
American 1455, flighting 240, descend to maintain 6000.
If you see about times the hex goes forward. Alright.
1455, 240 heading.
American 1427, 17.8 on the Condor arrival.
We should start rolling this back down now a little
1427,
bit.
regional approach traffic,
This
1 mile,
ATC.
southwest bound at flight level 190. And I'll have runway assignment for you shortly. Most likely it's going to be 17 center. I'll let you know shortly.
Roger that, thanks.
Hey, good afternoon, Mercury 613, checking in 13000. Mercury 613, regional approach, ATC information echoes current. Did you have that?
We had the Delta.
Well, echo just became current, altimeter 290.3.
93, thanks.
Southwest 1710, turn right heading 190.
Right,
93 is if you want, Jim.
93.
Alpha's will make a lot of difference, Jim, to be honest with you.
Envoy 3551, expect runway 17 center.
17 center, make 3551.
American 1427, the traffic cell factor, expect runway 17 center.
17 center, American 1427.
I was just looking. See if I can see it.
There
There we go.
Feet.
Mercury 6013, plotting 240, descend to maintain 6000. 240, 6000, 613. American 1302 is out of 180 for 11 descending via the Clinder Information Delta. American 1302, regional approach, Echo just became current, altimeter 2993, expect runway 17 center. Expect 17 center will get Echo, American 1302.
Hello, retail Southwest 28, 11.3 across Orville, 900,000 with Bravo request.
Southwest 28, regional approach, go ahead.
Up and down.
3 left, please.
Southwest 28, Roger. If you would just let the next controller know, they'll try to work it out for you if they can.
Right there.
November 2 uniform, contact approach 127.07.
2707 to uniform. Alrighty. Approach citation to uniform 6000.
Station 2 uniform, regional approach, direct to Zing, expect visual approach, 17 center.
Zing for the visual 17 center to uniform. SC2, I'll take the number 16, what do you think? Yep. Boom. Nav. FMS, go to Zing. Nav. Go to Zing. I'll go ahead and leave mine on the localizer. Alright. I don't see it yet. It's hazy though. Yeah, real hazy.
Station 2 uniform, should maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000 to uniform. Down to 5,000, 1,000 feet to go. Speed. Bottles.
American 1078, 170 knots to Jiffy now, tower 126.55.
170 Jiffy, switching to American 1078.
Continuation Foxtrot, current wind 19010, altimeter 2993. Citation 2 uniform is going to maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000 to uniform. On to 3.
Approach runway 3551, 9.5, descending 7,000.
Runway 3551, regional approach, expect visual approach, 17 center.
Visual 17 center, runway 3551.
I see it now.
Citation 2 uniform, airport's 11 o'clock and 14 miles, about in sight.
Sight for uniform.
Citation 2 uniform, clear visual approach, 17 center, join your final north of Jiffy and Caution Wake Terminal, decision MD correction 737 on a 4-mile final.
Okay, we're cleared for the visual and join the final north of Jiffy for T uniform. We just keep this heading here. Yeah, might as well. See it over there. Nav. I do see the bare spot this time. This time I'll put it on this side. I think I see the left runway right there. Yeah, that's it. Probably left. Okay, we are clear to visual. Join north of Jiffy. Yep, now this heading will probably... might as well just continue. Will probably keep us, you know...
Runway 3551, traffic 12 o'clock and 10 miles southwestbound is an MD-80 descending. You're going to go over the top of him. He's going to the left. You're going to go over the top to go to the center.
Alright, we'll be looking for him in and out of the clouds here, 3551.
Nav's engaged.
Runway 3551, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left, runway 3551.
Citation 2 uniform, turn left heading 200 to join the final approach course and connect tower 126.55.
Left turn to 200, join the final approach course and 126.55 to uniform.
7 right AC, 2659.
Alright, 14, 70 contact departure, we'll see you.
1430, so long now.
DFW Tower, Citation 2 uniforms with you for the visual 17 center.
Citation 2 uniform, DFW Tower 17 center, clear land, wind 1704, gust 15.
Clear land 17 center to uniform.
17 center, we are clear to land, Jim, I heard that.
American 1506, RNAV 2 T-Rex, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV T-Rex 17 right, clear for takeoff, American 1506.
AC 2656, DFW Tower 17 right, line up and wait.
17 right,
Selected.
line on the way, AC 2656.
Well, anytime. 3 green, no red. Stop taking it. There it goes. Flaps approach. Selected. Three green, no red. Flaps indicate approach.
American 1078, taxi Mike, Echo Mike,
Pressurization
runway
check,
17
gears
right.
done, lockdown, execute zone, landing lights are on, holding at landing flaps, and the autopilot. Okay.
AC 2659, cross 17 right, ground 0.85,
Flaps
top
to
of the bridge.
land.
Selected.
Cross 17
Don't
right,
advise
85 on the bridge, AC
slow locked up.
2659.
And here we go.
American 1506, contact departure, good day.
Departure 1506, good day.
AC 2656, fly heading 160, maintain 10,000. 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, fly heading 16217 right, clear for takeoff, maintain 10,000, AC 2656. Autopilot yelled at for disengage.
4-lane checklist complete. Okay.
DFW Tower, runway 3551, visual 17 center, slow in.
Runway 3551, you can resume normal speed, and 17 center clear to land. You can also plan Mike 7 high speed.
Thanks for Mike 7, 17 center, clear to land, normal speed 3551.
AC 2656, contact departure, good day.
Roger, AC 2656.
American 1078, cross 17 right, ground 0.65, we'll see you.
Minimum.
78, cross 17 right, think ground right. Skywest 6365, DFW Tower 17 right, line up wait.
17 right, line up wait, Skywest 6365.
Extended. Okay. I think you're gonna have to take that next one.
That's fine.
November 2 uniform, right turn when able, hold short 17 right.
Right, when able, hold short 17 right to uniform.
Skywest 6365,
You're clear on the right.
Navy 179, clear for
Okay.
takeoff.
RNAV Navy 17 right, clear for takeoff, Skywest 6365.
Oh, he's way back there.
November 2 uniform, tell you what, taxi north on Mike to Zulu, hold short 17 right.
North on Mike to Zulu, hold short 17 right to uniform.
America 1412, 17 right, line up wait.
17 right, line up and wait, American
Flaps
1412.
up after loading checklist.
Thrust reverser stood, speed brakes retracted, flaps are coming up. Ignition.
Off.
Transponders transponding. Let's see.
And I heard the word Zulu.
Pitot static, yes sir.
American 14,
Clear left.
27 with you for 17 center.
America 1427, 17 center, clear land wind 18011.
SDI,
Clear land
exterior
17,
lights, we got
14,
those.
America 1412, RNAV T-Rex 17 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV T-Rex 17 right, clear for takeoff, American 1412.
Spirit 202, DFW Tower 17 right, line up wait.
Pineapple 817 right, spare wing 202.
Onboard 35,
Zulu's next one,
continue straight ahead to the Mike 7 high speed.
Mike 7, 3551.
Cowboy 6365, contact departure, we'll see you.
6365, good day.
You're Zulu. Thank you.
Spirit 202, RNAV, 2 Navy, 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Spare wing 202, RNAV to Navy, clear for takeoff 17 right.
American 1386, 17 right, line up weight.
And line up and wait 17 right, American
We'll
1386.
hold short right here.
Correct. And American 1302 is on the visual 17 center. American 1302, 17 center, clear land, wind 18011. Clear land 17 center, American 1302.
Wind check for American 1427.
18010.
18010.
American 1412, contact departure, we'll see you.
1412, good day.
American 1386, RNAV to T-Rex. Runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to T-Rex,
Look at
clear
that,
for
yeah.
takeoff 17 right, American 1386.
He's still. His nose is just now coming up. Yeah.
It's a busy place.
You see, he held off. The brakes were set.
Spirit 202, contact departure, good day.
Good day, 202, so.
Citation 2, uniform cross, runway 17 right, hold short taxiway, Lima, contact ground, 121.65, we'll see you.
Cross 17 right, hold short Lima, and 2165 to uniform, see you later.
Hold short of Lima, sir, so we'll do.
Clear on the right.
Clear left.
American 1427, continue straight ahead for the Mike 6 high speed.
Mike 6, American 1427.
Onboard 3551, cross 17 right, ground 0.85, top of the bridge.
Cross 18 left bridge, American 1513.
Hold short.
I will, sir.
Remember to uniforms, holding short Lima. Yeah, keep coming forward though. I'll tell you when you're
Remember 2 uniform DFW ground rider, give way to 3, first one's crossing now, and then taxi Zulu right turn on Juliet Yankee to the corporate ramp.
Okay, give way to the 7-3 that just passed. Are you talking about the next 3 aircraft?
You got 2 more coming from the left, November 2 uniform, second MD-80, you can start your taxi.
Okay, we'll start the taxi behind the second MD-80 and Juliet Lima to the ramp.